I done checked the weather report. Homie said it's gonna snow tomorrow. And it's finna be 14 degrees on Tuesday. 14 degrees.
Ooh. Charged with a bad bitch.
Yes.
Piss me off to get face to face with a savage. Dark skin, light skin, I'm in a bag hit.
Systematic ways. However,
I don't know what it is. I don't know if there's like a worm in my stomach going crazy, but every time I wake up in the morning, I'm starving, bro. And it's annoying. Cause it's like, bro, I'm just trying to chill. Like, why I gotta be starving, bro? Like, I'm just trying to chill, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to chill and relax, B. Like, why I gotta be starving, bro? Like, instead of being able to chill, my stomach's in shambles. One thing that I think me and all New Yorkers hate about New York, because we love New York, you know what I'm saying? Right now it's cool. You know, New Yorkers, we're very prideful about New York. Like, I love New York. There's a lot of things that suck about New York, but I love New York though. I wouldn't want to live in any other place, at least for the time being, right? It be so cold, bruh. That's something that no matter how many times it's cold every year, you should get used to it. I hate it every time, bro. Every time I hate it. It's so cold, bro. It's not that cold right now, but I done checked the weather report. Homie said it's gonna snow tomorrow. And it's finna be 14 degrees on Tuesday. 14 degrees. My office is like an hour and a half away from me, bro. You think I'm finna go an hour from my crib in 14 degree weather? 14 degrees? 14 degrees? Like, damn, bruh. That's mad cold. Like, what are we even talking about at this point, bro? Like 14 degrees, bro? I may not leave my bed, bro. Straight like that.
Oh, from around the corner. That's a bucket, boy. Don't play with that man. He not one of them, boy. He not one of them, boy.
Back in like crackhead with a bad habit, we out here, NYC with it. I hate snow. I gotta start this vlog off saying I hate snow. New York is a snowy winter wonderland right now, and I hate it. I hate snow so much, seriously. I don't even got boots. I am thoroughly unprepared for this. I don't even got boots. I don't know the last time I wore boots. I don't know the last time I strapped on boots. My ankles are too narrow to even put on Timbs. Imagine being a New Yorker, right? And your ankles are too narrow to put on Timbs. The Timbs that I have on dress Tim boots. I don't even have regular Tim boots. You see what I got on right now? I'm wearing sneakers, bro. I don't have boots. I didn't even know really what the damage was of the snow. They said it was gonna be like a 6 to 7 inch snowstorm, whatever. This is probably barely even an inch, but it's mad moist everywhere, and it's unfortunate. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you. Ooh. I think my number one thing today, I already kind of lost, is to not get violated by a puddle, because I am not wearing the right attire. I'm not going to, I'm wearing, oh snap, this man trying to kill me. It's green. I did have a death wish right now. I'm not going to do that shit. But y'all already know. I would have caught it on cam. I say that. I say that and it blows all the time. You see all these UPS trucks now? Y'all don't even understand right now. There is like 30 UPS trucks right there. Nah, they brought the squad out. Another one. Nah, they brought the squad out for real. I ain't going to. But like I was saying, my number one thing right now is to not get violated by a puddle. Because New Yorkers have no sympathy. They gonna see a puddle and try to violate somebody. Seriously, like, they don't do it on purpose. So, I'm really just not trying to get violated. That's probably my number one goal for today. But the thing that I do like is that it's hot. Or not hot, but it's sunny. It's sunny, so it's gonna simultaneously melt the snow away. You know what I'm saying? So, that's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. One thing I love about this office, boy, when the sun up, and we get it all. I ain't gonna hold you. We get it all, fam. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never gonna get tired of this little joint. I ain't gonna hold you, come in. Cause sun really do something different to me, bro. Sun really make me feel good. Like, it give me extra, like, nutrients and vitamins and minerals, you feel me? Extra vitamin H and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really love the sun, bro. It really do something to me. It make me feel better. It really just give me extra energy, you know, and I really do enjoy that. I enjoy the extra energy that the sun be giving me and providing me. So shout out to you, son. You're real, you know what I'm saying? You're a real help to my life and my energy and my mental health, you know what I'm saying? Definitely appreciate that. Even if it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. It's still sunny in EBNTV studios. You know what I'm saying? No cap. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My son, yo, cap. Where the sun going? Wait, hold on. See, now the cloud came trying to kill my vibe. I don't like that. Ooh. What's going on, y'all? Just at the office. Man, you gotta put in that work. You gotta put in that work, bro. That's all, man. Put in that work, yo. Don't just say you manifested it. Work hard, bro. Like, work hard. When I get what I worked for, it's gonna be great. You know? When I get what I worked for, it's gonna be great. For me, I've gotten a couple achievements in life and stuff like that. When I really get what I worked for, bro, it's gonna be crazy, bro. And I just want you guys to work for everything that you guys want in life, because that's always gonna happen if you work for it. You gotta grind from sun up to sundown. I grind every day. I'm a person that I say, work hard now, play hard later. And when you're able to play hard, you're gonna be able to play hard in the mud. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be able to do whatever you wanna do. But you gotta put in that early work to reap the benefits. And I wholeheartedly understand that. And that's why I work so hard every day. I try to encourage y'all to do the same, you know? But Taylor is out. Oh, you thought it was over? Skinny moon ass, rockabye baby head ass, black and white cookie head ass. Ah, E.T., I found the light head ass. I'm on your head.